Hi guys, welcome to Byte Official, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can transfer your Google Play balance into your bank accounts. So for that there are two apps. So the first one is the Cash My Rewards app. So both the apps, I'll leave the links in the description of this video and you can download them easily from the Play Store. And also, before beginning, do note that you will not be able to transfer your entire amount to your bank balance. There will be some fee deducted from the app developers, and yeah, some that Google charges for this kind of transfers. And I am doing this on an Android device, and I'm not sure if you will be able to do this on an iPhone or not, because as you know, I don't have an Apple device. So without much ado, let's begin. So here I have opened the Cash My Rewards app, and over here you can see there are various options for us. So let's say if I select 200 rupees over there, then you can see I will get 140 rupees only, and that too in 5 to 8 days of time. So here I'm going to show you live how I am able to transfer my Google Play balance into my bank account. And one more thing, if you notice over here, is that I need minimum rupees 200 to transfer from this app. But don't worry if you have some less amount than that. We can use another app as well, and I'll show you right now. So here you can see at the bottom, for tokens of rupees 100 and below, you can use the rewards in wallet app. And here in the Play Store we have it over here, and I have already installed this on my device. So now here you can see you have to first put your name and your Paytm wallet or your UPI number or ID, and then you can like withdraw minimum 35 rupees. So the request part is there, that is for minimum 35 rupees as of now. And yeah, we have 35, 50, 80 and 100 rupees as well. So here I have entered my details, which are obviously blurred. And yeah, now see, I am trying to withdraw 100 rupees, and you can see over here that I am only being charged 60 rupees. Why? Because I have this offer over here with me right now from Google Play Store for my first transaction. So you may get this offer, you may not get this offer, or you may even get a different offer, which might be better or not worse. So I am not guaranteeing you this offer, but yeah, that's what I got. So I just took it at that point of time. And now I have to pay 60 rupees, and you can see I have around 96 rupees there in my balance. And so this part where I am like adding the details and making the payment over there, that is I am unable to record that part because obviously now in Android 14 Google does not allow recording sensitive data. So yeah, once I done this, you can see payment is successful. And yeah, I am just clicking it as yes always to require authentication before making any purchases. And okay, so yeah, payment is now successful finally. And then I'll get the screen, and I am taking a screenshot of this for reference so that you can get your order, you can keep your order ID with you. And then you have this option of send if you have WhatsApp, and if you do not have WhatsApp, you can even send it to an email ID of the developer as well. So selecting send, you can see here it redirects me to WhatsApp, and here just I have to press the send button. We have the message pre-typed over here for us. So this is how it works, and this is basically the WhatsApp ID of the developer. And now let's switch back to the current time so that I can show you that I have actually received the rewards basically. So now let's switch to the current time so that I can show you that I have actually received the transfer in my bank account. So here you can see a couple of days later, I have received this amount over here, and the developer has sent me the screenshot that 91 rupees was paid to me. So that was pretty much it from my side for this video. And by the way, if you are wondering from where did I manage to get that amount in my Google Play balance, so basically I was using the Google Opinion Rewards app. So this app is basically rewards you with some Google Play balance, which you can spend on the Play Store, or you can use my method if you don't want to spend it on the Play Store to transfer it to your bank account, okay, by answering some surveys. So these surveys are not very frequent here in India over here, but I think it might be frequent in other countries. I'm not sure about them. So here you can see on my screen the surveys that I got, and you can see that sometimes we get survey every month, 2 times a month, or sometimes no surveys for 3 to 4 months. And from this, yeah, I can get some rewards. While it's sure that you cannot become like a millionaire from this, but yeah, something is always better than nothing. So, if you found my video useful, do like this video and share it with your friends. And do subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.